Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel Al Hadi Learning Center. Today I will be talking about 6 preconditions of Salah. A child who has reached the age of 7 should be taught how to perform namaz, and when the child reaches the age of 10 should be hitched and made to read namaz. Namaz is a very important pillar of Islam. There are some first and conditions to read namaz. Today I will be teaching you 6 preconditions of Salah. The first condition of Salah is Tahara. Tahara means the body and clothes of a Salah offering person as well as the place where Salah is being offered must be pure from all types of impurities. Satre Aurat, veiling. It is compulsory for Islamic sister to cover their whole body except the following 5 parts: the face, both palms, and the sole of both feet. However, according to a valid verdict, the Salah of an Islamic sister will be valid even if her both hands up to wrist and feet up to ankles are completely uncovered. Istiqbal-e-Qibla. Istiqbal-e-Qibla means facing the Qibla during Salah. If the Salah offering person turns her chest deliberately from the Qibla without a valid Shari reason, her Salah will become invalid, although she turns it back to the Qibla instantly. Waqt, time. It is necessary to offer Salah within the stipulated time. For example, if 2 days Salatul Asr is to be offered, it is necessary that the time of Asr has begun. Salatul Asr will not be valid if offered before its time starts. Niyya. Niyya means firm intention in the heart. Although verbal intention is not necessary, it is better provided the intention is present in the heart. Further, making intention in Arabic language is not also necessary. It can be made in any other language. Takbir-e-Tahrima. Takbir-e-Tahrima means starting Salah by uttering Allahu Akbar is compulsory. So these are the 6 conditions of Salah that we must have to follow. Otherwise, our Salah will not be accepted in the court of Allah. Thanks for watching.